Talk about a lineup for April. This box is incredible this month. Not only is it going to be worth the money that you're spending on this box, it's worth your money and then some. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. I do lots of unboxings over here on my channel, so if you're new, welcome. Today we're going to be going through one of my favorite beauty boxes on the market. I love the Allure Beauty Box. I have for years now. I still feel very confident that this is the best beauty box for your value and the products you are receiving every single month. So there's a lot of beauty boxes out there. We go through all of them over here, but this one is just consistently well done, and April is no exception. I mean, seriously, look at this, you guys. When I opened up my box this month, I was like, I can't believe I'm getting this for $20-some a month. I mean, this is a steal. Per usual, I will be including a link down below in that video description box if you guys would like to sign up and order this. If you order in the month of April, this is the exact box that you will receive. There's only one exception to that, which is that you are able to customize the shade on a product, and I'm going to show that to you guys in the box today. But outside of that shade choice, everything else will be the same, whether you're a new member or you're an existing member for April. But even better, I have a discount code for you guys. So if you are a new member this month, you can get everything that I'm going to show you today for $19.99 and free shipping. So 7 products, $20 for 7 items, free shipping, and as a new member, you're also going to receive a $10 gift card towards the Allure Beauty shop where members get to shop exclusively. So if you do some girl math here, you guys, you can get this basically for 10 bucks. Now, one slight little change that occurred for April and going forward is Allure did increase their prices on their boxes by $5 a month. Now, here's the good news. Existing members, you are not affected by this change. If you previously locked in and you are paying $25 a month or less, you will stay at that price point. The only way that that's going to change is if you were to cancel your subscription and then reactivate and sign back up as a new member, you effectively are going to be canceling out what you locked in at, and you're going to enroll at this new price point. So that's the only thing that would change for existing members. But for new members, you will be able to purchase this box that I show you today for $19.99, free shipping still, and then it's going to auto renew at $29.99 a month. So you are getting a $10 savings on this first box. But keep in mind, just as a side point, that you can always cancel your box at any time, and you can also sign up at any time as a new member. So sometimes it's a bit more effective, cost effective, you know, a bit more affordable to kind of watch what's coming each month and then cancel and join back up. You know what I'm saying here? So just keep an eye on it. If you want to wait and see what's going to be in the box, just watch my video, then you'll know. I mean, it's just a little bit of an idea. You catch my drift? So let's get into it. The first official item in our April box this month is from YSL. I am so excited for this. I was talking about this a month ago when it was a spoiler. I am so pumped to see this. So this is a full-size product from YSL. This is a lip product, and there are 4 different shades to choose from for this item, and you are able to customize and choose the shade of your choice. So the way to do that is when you first sign up as a new subscriber, it will actually prompt you and ask you which one you would like to have. I have with me number 15, which is Showcasing Nude. And this is what I'll show you guys today. And then I'll show you a printout of what the other ones look like. That way you can compare the shades and see which one works for you. So packaging, I mean, YSL, you guys, always on point. It's heavy, it's gorgeous. You get their amazing logo in here. I mean, there's no complaints with packaging. And this lippy retails for $42, you guys. So that is why I was freaking out when I heard about this last month, is I'm like, wait a second, we're getting a $42 product in a $20, $25 box. I mean, seriously, that's a steal. So here's what that shade will look like. And this is the nude version. Now, what's great about all of these lippies that you're gonna see today is they do have a little bit of a shine. To me, it's like a satin finish where you get a little bit of that shine, but it's not sparkly. It's not glitter. It's not gonna to be like a lip gloss where it's really shiny. It's just going to give it a soft look. It's really, really pretty. I love that this product is meant to be a quick way to add a little bit of color to your lips, but it's still going to be very neutral and it doesn't look like you have makeup on. So it's perfect for the trend right now where you are supposed to wear makeup, but it's not supposed to look like you're actually wearing makeup. But as you can tell, I am obviously not following that rule because I want you to know I'm wearing makeup. Love this product though, super excited about it. Now, like I said, there are 4 different shades to choose from. They all retail for $42 if you wanted to go onto the YSL website and purchase this. It mentions that it is a sheer color. However, you can build it up if you just reapply multiple coats over your lips. It also is going to give a healthy shine, and it says that it's going to give you a bit more oomph if you want to layer any sort of glitter or glosses over top of it. So these are the 4 lip choices that you could choose for your April Allure box. I do feel like it shows up a little bit dark on this paper. It's way more vibrant in person. So just look at it online as well. It will show you the 4 different shades that are available, and I feel like it's a bit more accurate than what it's showing here. So we've already paid for our box, but that is not all for this month, you guys. We have got another full-size product in here coming from Rodial, another great skincare company. If you've not tried their products, they have some really good items. This one is the Papaya Enzyme Scrub. So this is a skincare product that is designed to break down texture, dry skin, and it is going to give you a brightening effect, but it's also going to make your skin softer and smoother after using it. And yes, you heard me correctly, this is a full-size product. So this product is 70 ml or 2.36 ounces. But here's the thing, you guys, if you wanted to purchase this, $50 is what this would cost. Rodial is not a cheap brand by any means, but I just can't believe that already we're at 90 some dollars for this box with 2 products. Now, Allure does mention that this is a gel formula, so it will have a gritty texture in that gel. It is supposed to be gritty on purpose because it is breaking down texture. They do mention that it is designed specifically for the face. I have used this product though myself, and just as my own little feedback on it, I feel like you could use this everywhere. So I remember using this on my arms, my legs as well, and it did great at exfoliating and breaking down that texture. So I do think you could use this for more than just your face, but that is how it's advertised, but that's just my little tip for you. Our third full-size product this month from Allure is an eyeshadow palette. This is coming from a brand called Beauty for Certain. Now, I will say, we don't get a lot of eyeshadow palettes from Allure. They tend to be more skincare, hair care heavy than they are makeup, but I'm excited for this palette, you guys. And yes, it is neutrals, but I'm still excited for it. It is a full-size product and it retails for $39. So again, this one product will pay for your whole box. I know I keep repeating myself, but it's unbelievable with today's subscription boxes that Allure seems to somehow get all these full-size products and one item will pay for your subscription each month, but the other beauty boxes can't do that for some reason. So that's why I'm always shocked and I just keep saying it over and over again. But this is what your eyeshadow palette will look like here. I love the range on this palette. It is awesome. So one thing that's nice is that you've got some deeper shadows over here that you can really smoke it out on the edges, but you can also keep it light and bright then in the center towards your inner corner if you want to. This center one is called Golden and it is a shimmer. So what's nice is you could do an all matte shade and then you could go right over top of it in the center and just add a little bit of that golden shimmer. So it's kind of like what I did today. I did not do this on purpose, but I used a pink matte and then I did a gold shimmer over top of it just in the center of my eye. That's what I'm referring to. I think you could easily apply just a little bit of that golden shimmer over top, give it some lift, dimension. It'll look really great this summer. Not to mention, who can't rock a neutral palette? You know what I mean? Like these shadows, very wearable. I would understand if we had something really colorful or like what I like to do. It's not for everyone, but this works for everybody. Are you ready to hear it again? So our fourth product inside of the box, not only is it full size, it also pays for your April box. This is a hair care product coming from Sasha One, and this is their styling cream. So this product retails for $39 if you wanted to purchase it, or you get it in your Allure box for $20. So the styling cream is something you want to apply to your hair when it is damp. Usually you want to towel dry off first, so that way it's not soaking wet. And then all you're going to do is take some of this cream, you're going to rub it through your hands, and then just kind of comb it through your hair. That will help your hair to style and to hold whatever style you create. So this is safe for all hair care types. So if you've got curly hair, wavy hair, straight hair, whatever it is, this will work. But it's also going to have a heat protectant inside of it. Now, we did have this exact same brand a few months ago. I read online that a few people were like, wait, we're getting a duplicate product. This is different. So this is not the same product, but it is the same brand that we saw a few months back. And the same thing applies to this next product as well. We have had this brand before, actually several times. However, we've not had this specific product from their lineup. So it looks familiar, but it is different. So this next item is coming from Skin & Co. and it is their facial toner. So this is a part of their Truffle Therapy collection. They have an entire lineup of beauty products that feature truffles inside of them. And so this one is the facial toner. Now what we have here is 75 ml of product. It is considered their deluxe travel size. Originally, Allure told me that this was going to be a full-size product that we were receiving. However, it's not full size. It is larger than their travel size, but the full size is 200 ml of product. This is 75 ml. I still think it's a lot of product to use though. I mean, honestly, you guys, this much toner, you're gonna be able to get a couple of months out of this. This isn't like a sample, so I still think it's wonderful. Last up for today, we are going to have a product from Innisfree. Is that how you pronounce this? I don't actually know. I'm just gonna go with it. I think it sounds cute, Inez. You know, I think it's cute. We're gonna do it. But this is a product that you might receive in your April box. And I say might because there is one other product that is also available. It's not a choice product. They're just going to surprise you with one or the other. They're both coming from the same brand. They're just gonna have slightly different aspects to them. So in my box, I have their green tea hyaluronic cream. This is a moisturizer and we have a travel sized amount here. So this moisturizer features hyaluronic acid inside of it. There's green tea as well, and it will give you hydration, but it also has a little bit of caffeine because of that green tea. The other product that you might receive in your box, if you don't get this, you will get the Cherry Blossom Glow Jelly Cream. That one is also a moisturizer, but it has a jelly consistency versus this is more of your cream lotion consistency. Oh, and this has green tea and the other one is cherry blossom. So it will have a slightly different scent to it as well, but you're still gonna get to try out a moisturizer from this brand. Now this is a K-Beauty item or K-Beauty brand as well. We have had their sunscreen previously in the Allure box, but we've not had this product. So this is a new product for us. And the expiration date on here is 2027. So more than enough time to use this. So that is everything inside of the Allure Beauty Box for April. Comment down below, you guys, and let me know, what did you think of this month's box? I have nothing but high praises for this box. I mean, seriously, what can you buy anymore that is $20? And specifically, if you go into Sephora or Ulta and you want to shop for beauty products for $20, you might be lucky to get one item. You may even be able to get the small little samples up by the checkout, but even at that, I feel like you may be able to get 2 products. But you get an entire box of full-size products, and there's 6 items in here. So if you want a refresher, this is what you're gonna get in April for $20. You're gonna first have the Sasha One Styling Cream. You're also going to have the Beauty for Certain eyeshadow palette, which doesn't quite fit in there. Oh, there we go. We'll do that. You're also going to have the Rodial Vitamin C skincare product. Can't forget my favorite, the YSL Lippy, and you get to customize that as well with your shade choice. You're additionally going to get the toner in here from Skin & Co. And then last up, you're going to have a moisturizer that is going to be our K-Beauty brand as well. So all of that for $20, free shipping, and then you also get the $10 gift card that you get to use in the members shop. So I've got you covered with a link down below, you guys, along with that discount code to save a little bit of money. But even as an existing member, I am thrilled with my subscription this month. Like, huge props to Allure. I love it. I want them to keep doing this. It is so good. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!